वेलकम एवरीवन टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लर्निंग विद रोशन सर। इस वीडियो पे हम आपको मैथ, फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड वीडियो प्रोवाइड करेंगे और साथ ही प्रोवाइड करेंगे वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स की नॉलेज। हमारे चैनल की सारी वीडियोस को देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो। Here we start with the word problems of the chapter linear equations, and we'll be doing exercise 9.2. Now let's see question number 1. Here, if 7 is added to 5 times a number, the result is 57. You have to find that number. Very first of all, we assume the number be x. So, we have taken let the number be x, and now 7 is added to 5 times the number. This means 7 is added to 5 times the number means 5x plus 7, and that is equals to 57. So here we have got the equation 5x plus 7 equals to 57, and now we have to solve for x. We have transposed 7 on the other hand, and we have got 5x equals to 50, and now x will be equals to 10. This means the required number is 10. Now let's see question number 2. Here we have to find the number such that 1/4 of the number is 3 more than 7. Very first of all, we have to suppose the number be x, and according to question we get 1 upon 4x minus 3 equals to 7. Now we'll solve for x, and then this 4 will be multiplied and it will become x equals to 10 into 4, that is x equals to 40. So required number is 40. Now let's see the question number 3. Now in question number 3, a number is as much greater than 15 as it is less than 51. You have to find the number. So very first of all, let the number be x, and according to question, as this number is greater than 15 but less than 51, therefore we get this. Here x minus 15 is equals to 51 minus x. Now we'll solve for x, and on transposing we get this one, and here we get the value of x as 33. So required number is 33. Now let's see question number 4. Now for question number 4, if 1 by 2 is subtracted from a number and the difference is multiplied by 4, the result is 5. What is the number? Now let the number be x, and now according to question, and here we get the equation, the difference of x and 1 by 2 is multiplied by 4, and the result is 5. Now we are going to solve it, and for solving we will very first of all transpose this 4 on the RHS, and this will become, and here we get this. Now we will transpose minus 1 by 2 on the other side, and we get 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Now we are going to add these two, and we get 7 by 4 as answer. So the required answer is 7 by 4. Now let's see question number 5. Here the sum of two numbers is 80, and the greater the number exceeds twice the smaller number by 11. You have to find the number. So let the numbers be x and 80 minus x. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें दिया है सम ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज 80, और दो नंबर को ऐड करने पे हमें 80 मिलता है। तो अगर उन दोनों में से एक x लेते हैं तो दूसरा 80 माइनस एक्स अपने आप हो जाएगा। नाउ द ग्रेटर ऑफ दिस टू, हम इसमें से इसी को ग्रेटर मान लेते हैं, और ये छोटे वाले के ट्वाइस से 11 ज़्यादा है। सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट दिस वन एज 80 माइनस एक्स माइनस ट्वाइस ऑफ x equals to 11. Now we are going to solve it. We have got till here. Now we are going to make a transpose of x and a number. Now here we are having a minus on both of the side, so we can cancel them, and after that we will make a transpose of 3 on the other side, and here we get the value of x as 23. Now the numbers are 23 and 57. Now let's see question number 6. In question number 6, we are having find the three consecutive odd numbers whose sum is 87. As we all know, the difference between the two odd numbers is 2. दो odd numbers के बीच का जो difference होता है 2 ही होता है. So let the three consecutive odd numbers be and here we get the numbers x, x plus 2 and x plus 4. Now as the sum of all is 87, therefore according to question we get x, x plus 2 and x plus 4 equals to 87. Now we'll solve for x. Now we are going to make a transpose of 6 on the other side. Now 3 को दूसरी तरफ सेंड करने पे ये हो जाएगा 81/3, that is x equals to 27. So the 3 consecutive odd numbers are 27, 29 and 31. Now let's see question number 7. Now in question number 7, in a class 35 students are there and the number of girls is 2/5 the number of boys. You have to find the number of girls in the class. So let the number of girls be x and therefore the number of boys will be 35 minus x. And according to question, the number of girls is 2/5 the number of boys. Therefore we can write this one as x equals to 2/5 in a bracket 35 minus x. Now we are going to multiply 5 on the other hand. Now after getting this, we can open the bracket. Now we are going to transpose 2x on this side and we get 7x equals to 70. And now the x will be, therefore the number of girls are 10. Now let's see question number 8. Now here in question number 8, the chair cost rupees 250 and the table cost 400. If the housewife purchased a certain number of chairs and the 2 tables for rupees 2800, find the number of chairs she purchased. So very first of all we can let the number of chairs be x, and according to question we get x into 250 plus 2 into 400 equals to 2800. Now we are going to solve for x and you will be getting, we get this. Now we'll solve over here and transpose 250 on the other side, and on doing so we get the value of x as 8. This means the number of chairs are 8. Now let's go for question number 10. Here in this question, Hina has only rupees 2 and 5 in her purse. If in all she has 80 coins in her purse amounting to rupees 232, find the number of 5 rupees coins. So as she is having 80 coins in all, therefore 5 rupees coins को अगर हम x ले लेते हैं, in that case 2 rupees के coins होंगे 80 minus x. And according to question, इनके पास 5 रुपीज़ के x कॉइन्स थे तो उसकी टोटल वैल्यू हो गई 5 इंटू एक्स, और 2 रुपीज़ के 80 माइनस एक्स कॉइन्स थे तो उसकी टोटल वैल्यू हो गई 2 इंटू दिस, और इनके पास टोटल जो अमाउंट था वो था 232. सो वी हैव गॉट दिस इक्वेशन एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व फॉर x, and therefore first of all we are going to open this bracket, and on solving the bracket and solving this one we have got this much. Now we are going to shift 160 on the other side और फिर उसके बाद हम इसे 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, and here we get the value of x as 24. This means Hina has 24 5 rupees coins. Now let's see question number 12. In this question, after 12 years I shall be 3 times as old as I was 4 years ago. Find my present age. So here let my present age be x, and now age after 12 years will be x plus 12, and age 4 years ago will be x minus 4 years. Now according to question is saying that I shall be 3 times old after 12 years. I shall be 3 times old as I was 4 years ago. This means x plus 12 equals to 3 into x minus 4. इस मल्टीप्लिकेशन में एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखेंगे कि हम हमेशा छोटे वाले में जो कम होता है उसमें नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं ताकि वो बड़े वाले के बराबर हो जाए. वी नेवर मल्टीप्लाई इन द ग्रेटर वन. सो वी हैव गॉट दिस इक्वेशन एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व फॉर x. Here we have got this after opening a bracket, and now we are going to make a transpose and concentrate all the variable in one side and constant on the other. And here we get minus 2x equals to minus 24. Now we can cancel out the minus sign from both the sides, and we get x equals to 24 by 2. and now x equals to 12. This means the present age is 12 years. Now let's move to the next question, that is question number 13. Here in question number 13, the two equal sides of an isosceles triangles are 3x minus 1 unit and 2x plus 2 unit. And the third side is 2x units. You have to find the value of x and then the perimeter of triangle. As we all know that isosceles triangle has two equal sides, and as these two sides are equal, this means this value will be also equals to this one. So very first of all, we are going to find the value of x with the help of these two sides. Here AB equals to AC is the sides of isosceles triangle. Now we have placed the values, and here we have got the value of x as 3. Now we also have to find the perimeter. So for the perimeter we are going to add all of the sides, and here we get this. Now we are going to place the values of x, and on placing the value we have got x into 3 minus 1, 2x, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 2. And now solving we get 8, 6 and 8, and on adding them we got 22 units. That was the perimeter for this question. And now let's move to the question number 14. Now here in question number 14, the length of a rectangular plot is 6 meter less than thrice the breadth. So if we take the breadth as x, then length will be 3x minus 6. Then he's saying find the dimension of the plot if the perimeter is 148 meter. We have to find the value of length and breadth with the help of the perimeter, that is equals to 148 meter. Now we know the formula of perimeter is 2l plus b. So twice the length plus breadth equals to 148. Now we'll place the value of length and breadth. And here we get this after placing the value of length and breadth. Now we'll solve it. And here we get after opening the bracket. Now we are going to do the transpose. And here we get the value of x as 20. Now we'll go for the length and breadth. And here we get the value of length as 54 meter and the breadth as 20 meter. Now let's see question number 15. The two complementary angles differ by 20 degree. Find the measure of each angle. As we all know, the sum of complementary angles is 90 degree. Therefore, we have took the angles as x and 90 minus x. Now, it has been given the difference of the two angles is 20 degree. So, we can write this one as x minus 90 minus x equals to 20. Now, we are going to open the bracket. And here we get this. Now, we are going to solve for x. And here we get the value of x as 55 degree. Now, the angles are x equals to 55 and 90 minus x will be 35. That's all from this video. हमारे वीडियो में यहाँ तक बने रहने के लिए थैंक यू. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.